Hey guys, what's going on? This is Dave with Dirty South Inspection, and today we're going to finish our calibration by doing our TCG. We did our wedge delay and sensitivity. Now we're going to go to a 3-point TCG. We're going to do a half inch, 7.5, 1 inch. Anything over a 1 inch, I don't recommend you using a 5L16. Read your code and it'll tell you what to do. But anything over an inch, I recommend using a 32 element. But you'll be good doing a patch block or a notch block. You should use a notch block. I highly recommend doing it on a notch block, but today we're going to do it on a patch block so you can see how it goes. But other than that, hang on tight, follow the steps, you'll be golden. Let's get this done. So first you're going to go to File, Wizard, Calibration. Where it says ultrasonic, you're going to hit it, and it's going to say sizing. Hit sizing. TCG, start. All right, so we're going to go custom, curve quantity. We're going to start off with 1. We're going to start our gate at 450. All right, we're going to go to next. We're going to go angles 45 to 70. We're going to leave the gain and everything at 25 1. Start, we're going to leave our start where it's at. Range, we're going to stay at 4, should be good. Our gate's going to start at 450. It's going to be 600 wide, but that'll cover us for a little bit. And we'll leave it at, we'll move our gate up to 20. See what it does. All right, so now we're going to go over the 0.5 hole. And remember, you got to go through all your angles. So just like everything else, go through it. And just because you're not in that dotted line, you're good right now. Just keep on going. And just walk the rest of it out. All right, now we're going to go to add point. And it's going to add point. About a ½ inch hole. Walk it back. Should keep it at 80%. All right, go to next point. Next point, we're going to go 45 to 70. We're going to stay the same. No gain added, no gain taken away. We're going to start at, let's see, that was a ½ inch. We're going to start at 700. So that's going to move our gate to 700 down. We're going to leave our width at 600, leave our threshold at 20. And go down to your 750 hole, which is going to be the next one down. And we're going to go and we're going to slide through all those angles. Looks like we're a little hot on our lower angles. Make it as smooth and nice as possible. Just go through all your angles at the bottom. Add point. Now, go through all your angles, keeping it inside that. Now you're going to see your other hole coming up in the back. So we're going to go to next point. Now we're going to go for the 1 inch hole.
We're going to go next, 45 to 70. We're going to keep everything the same. Pass up. We're going to start our gate at 950, right before the 1-inch hole. We're going to shorten our gate up to 0.3. All right, we don't want to catch anything else. So now we scan it over the 1-inch hole. We're going to back up and hit all those angles. All right, now go forward. Take your time, go slow. Peek it out if you need to. A little bit hot on your lower angles like always, and then just come back and smooth it out if you need to. Just make sure you go through all your angles. All right. Oh man, I forgot. It's gonna re-race it. All right, I forgot to go up one block, so we gotta do it again. Make it as smooth as you can. I hate when I do that because it erases the envelope and you got to do it all over again. But it's nothing to it. Part of the game. All right, so we're gonna keep on going. Smooth out everything as much as you can. Hit add point. It's gonna bring everything up to 80%. And you're just checking all of those angles. And typically all you need is 3 points. So you try to stay within the range that you're inspecting at, except TCG. So we're going to go back right here. We're going to see what we got. At 80%. We're right there at an inch at 80%. So we'll go back ½ inch. Oh, we got to change our gate. All right, put it at 80%. And we right there at 751. Go back to the ½ inch hole. We're a little hot. We peek it out. We're right here at a ½ inch. And that's our lower angles too, so you can move it. Go back and try it out. Peek it out. We're a little hot. But that's it. That's the gist of it, bud. Peeked it out. We're at a ½ inch. That's it. So this is the TCG off the PAX block. I typically do a TCG off of either the PAX block or the pipe standard if you got it. If you got a pipe standard, or they make them where they have holes straight down, which is awesome and it's very good. I don't know the name of the block. I forgot offhand. I'll put it in the link below. But now you did your TCG, so anything in between an inch on your second bounce, so a ½ inch, you'll be golden. And set your sensitivity to your notch block, and you'll be rolling, or your basic, whatever you're using. And then as go through that. But in the gist of things, that's basically how you do a TCG on a PAX block. Have any questions? Comment below. Take care. Stay humble.